Hello and welcome back to Homes Inspiration Studios. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into a style of the magnificent two-story Barndominium. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. More than just a trend, these structures represent a fascinating blend of practicality, expansive living, and undeniable charm. If you've ever found yourself dreaming of a home that offers vast open spaces, incredible versatility, and a unique aesthetic that stands apart from conventional builds, then the two-story Barndominium might just be your perfect match. Here at Homes Inspiration Studios, we are passionate about exploring innovative and beautiful ways to live, and the Barndominium, particularly its two-story iteration, truly embodies that spirit. In this comprehensive guide, we're going to peel back the layers of what makes these homes so special. We'll uncover their true meaning, delve into the myriad benefits they offer, provide expert advice on how to design them to truly shine, and highlight essential elements for their striking exterior facades. Get ready to rethink what a home can be, as we explore how to create a dwelling that is both grand in scale and deeply personal. Let's begin. What is the meaning of two-story Barndominium homes design? The term Barndominium itself is a portmanteau, cleverly combining barn and condominium, though in reality, they are far more versatile than the latter term suggests. At its essence, a barndominium is a living space converted from, or built to resemble, a barn. It often starts with a steel or post-frame structure, traditionally used for agricultural or commercial purposes, and is then meticulously customized into a residential dwelling. A two-story Barndominium home design simply elevates this concept, literally, by incorporating a second level. This second story typically houses private quarters like bedrooms, bathrooms, and perhaps an office or a cozy reading nook, while the expansive ground floor is often dedicated to vast open-concept living areas, a gourmet kitchen, dining spaces, and potentially even an integrated workshop, garage, or even an equestrian facility. The fundamental meaning behind this design is to offer unparalleled space, flexibility, and a distinctive aesthetic that blends rustic industrial charm with modern comfort. It's about leveraging the inherent structural integrity of a barn-like shell to create a highly customizable, energy-efficient, and often more affordable alternative to traditional stick-built homes, all while providing ample vertical space to separate public and private zones within the dwelling. It's a testament to adaptive reuse and efficient design, creating a unique residential experience. What are the benefits of choosing two-story Barndominium homes design? The appeal of a two-story Barndominium extends far beyond its unique aesthetic. There are compelling practical and lifestyle benefits that make this design choice increasingly popular. Firstly, expansive living space and flexibility are paramount. The inherent design, often utilizing large clear spans, allows for vast, open-concept floor plans on the main level. This is perfect for large families, entertaining, or simply enjoying an unrestricted flow between living, dining, and kitchen areas. The second story then provides a natural separation for private bedrooms, bathrooms, and quiet retreats, offering a clear distinction between communal and personal zones. This verticality maximizes your usable square footage on a smaller footprint compared to a sprawling single-story home of equivalent size. Secondly, durability and low maintenance are significant advantages. Barndominiums are typically built with steel frames and metal siding, which are incredibly robust. They are resistant to pests, rot, fire, and severe weather, often making them more resilient than traditional wood frame homes. This translates to lower long-term maintenance costs and greater peace of mind. Thirdly, energy efficiency can be remarkably high. The steel frame construction allows for superior insulation methods, such as spray foam, which can create a very tight thermal envelope. This, combined with high ceilings that allow heat to rise, and often strategic window placement for passive solar gain, can lead to significantly reduced heating and cooling bills, offering substantial savings over the lifespan of the home. Finally, the design versatility and unique aesthetic stand out. While they might start with a utilitarian form, Two-story barndominiums can be customized to an extraordinary degree. From rustic chic interiors with exposed beams and reclaimed wood to sleek, modern minimalist designs with polished concrete floors and contemporary fixtures, the possibilities are endless. This allows homeowners to create a truly one-of-a-kind home that reflects their personal style, all while retaining that distinctive, charming barndominium character. It's a canvas for architectural creativity, allowing for features like towering fireplaces, grand staircases, indoor sports courts, or even integrated workspaces that would be challenging or cost-prohibitive in a traditional home. How do I design my two-story barndominium home to look good? Designing a two-story barndominium to look truly exceptional requires a thoughtful approach that balances its inherent rustic charm with modern functionality and aesthetic appeal. Start with embracing the open concept on the main floor. This is often the defining characteristic. Leverage the soaring ceilings by incorporating grand elements like a floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace, an impressive custom staircase that acts as a focal point, or large panoramic windows that flood the space with natural light. Avoid too many interior walls on the main level to maintain that expansive feeling. Define zones using furniture placement, area rugs, or subtle changes in flooring materials rather than physical barriers. For interior finishes, think about contrasting textures and materials. While the exterior might be metal, balance this inside with warm, natural elements. Exposed wooden beams or trusses can add incredible character and a touch of traditional barn charm. Consider polished concrete floors for a modern industrial look, or wide plank engineered wood for warmth. Mix and match elements like reclaimed wood accents, brick feature walls, shiplap, and drywall to add visual interest. Lighting is crucial. With tall ceilings, you have an opportunity for dramatic lighting fixtures. Large chandeliers, statement pendant lights, and track lighting can highlight architectural features and provide ample illumination. Don't forget recessed lighting for general ambient light and task lighting in areas like the kitchen. Natural light should be maximized through strategically placed, generously sized windows and sliding glass doors, especially facing scenic views. Finally, furnishings and decor should be chosen carefully to fill the large spaces without overwhelming them. Opt for substantial pieces that are proportionate to the scale of the rooms. Large sectionals, oversized dining tables, and grand artwork can feel right at home. Incorporate a mix of industrial, rustic, and modern pieces to create a cohesive yet dynamic look. Don't shy away from incorporating personal touches like family heirlooms, unique art, and comfortable textiles to make the vast space feel welcoming and lived in. Consider built-in shelving or custom cabinetry to maximize storage and create integrated design elements that enhance functionality and visual appeal. 10 Best Two-Story Barndominium Homes Design Ideas. One. Modern industrial barndominium. This style features sleek lines, dark metal siding, black, charcoal, or dark gray, large expanses of glass, and minimal decorative elements. Think exposed steel beams on porches, concrete patios, and a clean, minimalist aesthetic. 2. Classic red barn conversion. Embrace the traditional with a classic barn red metal siding, contrasting white trim, and perhaps a prominent cupola. This design evokes true agricultural heritage while providing modern living spaces. 3. Rustic stone and timber barndominium. Integrate natural elements by cladding significant portions of the exterior with local stone or rock, complemented by heavy timber posts and beams on porches or gables. This creates a warm, earthy, and robust appearance. 4. Farmhouse chic barndominium. Combine the barndominium structure with quintessential farmhouse elements like white board and batten siding, or metal panels mimicking it, dark contrasting roofs, and inviting wraparound porches with traditional railings. Large, grid windows complete the look. 5. Multi-textured barndominium. create visual interest by combining 2 to 3 different exterior materials. For example, a base of stone, main body of dark metal siding, and a prominent wood accent on a gable or porch ceiling. This layering adds sophistication and depth. 6. Expansive glass front barndominium. Design the entire front facade, or a significant portion, with floor-to-ceiling glass, emphasizing natural light and views. This creates a striking contemporary statement and truly merges the indoors with the outdoors. 7. Shed roof barndominium. Instead of a traditional gable, utilize a series of shed roofs at different heights. This creates a dynamic, modern profile and allows for clear-story windows, maximizing natural light on the upper level and adding architectural flair. 8. Attached lean-to structures. Incorporate functional and aesthetically pleasing lean-to additions, perhaps for a carport, an extended covered patio, or a dedicated outdoor kitchen space. These integrate seamlessly with the main structure and add character. 9. Gambrel roof barndominium. Embrace a more traditional barn look with a gambrel roof design, the classic barn roof with 2 slopes on each side. This maximizes usable space on the second floor and adds a distinct, charming silhouette. 10. Integrated garage or workshop with cohesive design. If including a large garage or workshop, ensure its exterior seamlessly matches the home's design. Use the same siding, trim, and window styles, perhaps with carriage-style garage doors, to create a unified and aesthetically pleasing whole. And there you have it, a deep dive into the fascinating world of 2-story barndominium home design. From understanding their unique identity and appreciating their practical advantages to mastering the art of designing their interiors and exteriors, we've covered a comprehensive range of insights to help you embark on your own barndominium journey. These homes offer a truly distinctive living experience, blending robust functionality with unparalleled aesthetic potential. They represent a smart, spacious, and stylish alternative to conventional housing, providing a canvas for your architectural dreams. Remember, whether you're building from the ground up or envisioning a transformation, the principles of thoughtful design and quality craftsmanship are paramount. The beauty of a 2-story barndominium lies in its ability to be both grand and personal, a testament to innovative living. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best 2-story barndominium house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.